guess what? We are National Whale and Dolphin Watch Week again. If you recall, I shot a little video with David this time last year, and he was telling us all about the sightings that they've had in Newquay and Cardigan Bay. So, David, we're here again a year later. Hello.
It's nice to see you again.
Thank you. So, what have we seen so far this week?
This week, well, we've seen obviously the usual dolphins. We've had quite a few mothers and calves as well. We've encountered a few sunfish, which is quite nice. Roughly about this time of year we'll have them. But we also encountered a load of manx shearwaters on the inside or the inshore, which we don't normally see. I usually see them offshore in that number anyway, so it was really nice to see them.
Oh, that's fabulous. And I mean, we are collecting data from around the whole of the UK. So do you ever hear about sightings going on around the rest of the UK? Are you connected to any other?
If anything, we only see them online as such, but we do keep a record, or not a record then, but we actually follow those sightings, so keep up with Sea-Watch as well.
Yes, lovely. And can you remind us how long you've been involved, how long we've had this special relationship with dolphin spotting boat trips?
Well, with dolphin spotting boat trips, there's probably about 18, 19 years now that we've been associated together. It's been really good for us. I've been on the boat for about 15 years, and we've seen many volunteers and people come over the years then to enjoy the sights of Cardigan Bay here.
Yeah. And I mean, obviously, we hope for many more years to come that we have this special relationship with you guys. When our members, or when people decide to adopt a dolphin, I don't know if many people are aware, but they get a special voucher because of our relationship. Can you tell people about what that is?
Well, obviously with the voucher we give a certain percentage off if you are an adopted dolphin adoptee. So obviously we give the discount to the members. Obviously we're not able to point out individually which dolphin that they've adopted, but we do try and educate them and show them how we identify them, and hopefully if they do get a picture of the fin, they're able to refer back to the catalogue.
Okay, great. So every single adoptee who adopts through Sea-Watch Foundation will get a boat voucher which allows them to go aboard with dolphin spotting boat trips.
That's right, indeed. So hopefully you'll have a good time with us as well.
Fabulous. Okay, well, that's it from Newquay, Cardigan Bay. We'll be joining David again tomorrow, so hopefully we shall speak to you again then. Okay, thanks for listening. Bye.